Hello, good morning to all of you. Hope you are doing well. Welcome back again to the channel about job. In this video, I will share with you job openings from Kuwait. It's a Gulf country. I hope you all know this. So let's know what is the job openings, how to apply, what is the requirements to apply for this job. All the details you can discuss in this video. So let's start. So this is multiple job openings from Kuwait, and a leading oil and gas contracting company required for North Kuwait project. That means the all jobs regarding oil and gas industry. So don't worry for the client interview. You just need to apply for this. So first of all, you should know this is a hotel SILVAR in MAROSHI road near Fair Bridge, MAROL NAKA in the ANDHERI east. So the office will be in Mumbai. You have to reach to the interview. First of all, you can ask about the job openings. Then you can submit your document. Then you can prepare for the interview. Original requirement: long-term project, mechanical engineer. Salary will be 1,100 Kuwait dinar to 1,300 Kuwait dinar. Next, senior mechanic. This is the salary and this is the job positions. So focus all the positions and you can apply as per your reliable positions. All positions are available here and salary also mentioned here. You can get this information from the description below this video. So all candidates should have relevant degree diploma which is 3 to 5 years of a Gulf SGC experience, means Gulf experience. Excellent salary with free food and accommodation and transport. So shortlisting in progress. This is the office address. This is the official email ID. This is the official details which through which you can reach to the office. So this is the all details through which you can reach to the office and you can ask the job openings and can apply. So as I told you, this is a urgent job vacancies from Kuwait, and basically the openings belongs to oil and gas industry. So if you have a proper experience and qualifications regarding related to oil and gas industry, then you can apply as soon as possible. Don't worry for the date. So my sincere request, first of all, please go to the description below this video and collect all this information and focus on the positions and the salary. And if you are finding any related job openings related to you, you can apply as soon as possible by this official email ID. You have to drop your CV and all experience certificate scan copy, passport scan copy, all details to the given official email ID. Once your CV will be shortlisted, you can get a notifications to attend the interview. Once you get notifications, you can reach to the office by this address and you can ask for the interview. So all the details are right here in front of you. So this consultancy is a very valuable and very old consultancy through which you can get a proper genuine process to move abroad with your job. So official contact number, official address, official email ID, everything is in front of you. If you are interested to apply, then you can apply through the official email ID and you can also reach to the office if you are available in Mumbai, or you can visit to the Mumbai to the directly to the office and you can ask about the job requirements. Next thing I would like to suggest you, please share this information if you have any friend or relative having the same professional experience and they are finding for the same positions, so that they can apply on time and they can easily fulfill their dream to move abroad with a job. There are many job openings from Kuwait in oil and gas industry. I hope you can find your professional jobs and you can apply as soon as possible by the official email ID. So I hope you understand all the things what I am sharing with you right now. And if you have any question, you can drop your question in the comment box. I will try to give the answer. This is a urgent vacancies. Don't be late. Apply as soon as possible if you are interested to apply for this job in Kuwait. So best of luck.